Hypnotism is not about mind control or mystical powers, but rather a relaxation technique where the hypnotist serves as a guide. It is important to find a willing and patient partner for the best results, and to avoid hypnotizing individuals with mental or psychotic disorders. First, create a quiet and comfortable environment by removing distractions and informing others not to disturb. It is important to educate the participant about what to expect from hypnosis, dispelling misconceptions. Asking about their goals for hypnosis will help tailor the experience. Speaking in a low, soothing voice and guiding them to focus on regular deep breaths help induce relaxation. Having them gaze at a fixed point or closing their eyes can further enhance the trance state. Guide the participant to relax their body part by part, using slow and calm instructions to deepen their relaxation. Encourage them to feel more relaxed, and use their breathing and body language as a guide to help gauge their mental state during the process.